Hey there, you're watching Amitha Verma. A couple of weeks ago, I shared with you an empty house tour of a very beautiful and exciting project that I'm working on this year. It's going to be the renovation, home updates, and the furnishings of a very charming Spanish style home in California. In the last episode, I walked you through the empty house and I left off by telling you I wanted to just sleep on it or to stay in the home for a few days so I could really think about how I wanted to change this home for a long-term or short-term rental stay. So let's walk through this floor plan after I slept on it. Let's start with the kitchen. If you remember, it had a really dark color palette, and all in all, this kitchen feels really closed in and quite inefficient. There were a couple of microwaves, which I found so strange, and the appliances were really outdated. While I was on the job site, I brought on some of the experts, a builder and an architect, to help me explore what could and could not be done in this home. Now, I was really excited to learn that the wall between the kitchen and the family room is not a load-bearing wall. This wall is purely decorative and somewhat functional to allow the kitchen to be closed in. Now, while I was here, I had my husband, my boys, and my dog Coco. What I noticed about this home is I was always sequestered in the kitchen, or my husband preparing meals for our boys. Seeing that we want to use this as a long-term or short-term rental, what I imagine is families are going to be coming here for get-togethers, gatherings, and vacations, and I can imagine nobody wants to be in the kitchen all by themselves. So I was really excited to learn that this is not a load-bearing wall, and we can probably remove it to open up the kitchen into the family room. Now, by removing this wall, this is going to allow us to put an island down and then give me the chance to reconfigure this kitchen to make it more efficient and family friendly. So once we get this wall down on paper, my next steps are going to be to figure out which wall is going to house the stove, where we're going to get our pantry in, and the best workflow for this space. So moving on into what I'm calling the sleeping and living quarters, we're going to start with one of the home offices. In this room here, we are exploring the idea of removing these built-in bookshelves, possibly creating a pocket door and sliding it down so we can try to get a bunk bed system in here, or if not, 2 beds so that a family with children or guests can easily share the sleeping quarters. Moving down the hallway, we're going to come into what is the primary bedroom of this home. When you walk into the primary bedroom, it's a little bit of a zigzag to actually get into the bedroom. The previous owner used this walk-through area as their home office, and somebody might have seen it as a sitting area in the primary room. But this room also contains another sitting room. So how much sitting can you do? Another funny quirk about this room is it contains the laundry room, and having slept there a night, I can tell you it was not fun having the washer and dryer running day and night in the room that you're sleeping in. So what I'm envisioning in this room is pulling the exterior room wall out and making this hallway just a little bit more narrow as it is in the beginning and the ends of the hallway. Using what is that laundry room right now and turning that into a wall closet, pulling this wall down so we enclose this room and turn this into either a home office or a small bedroom that could easily house a twin size bed or a day bed, perfect for a young child to use. In doing this, what's going to happen is we've got to create a new entrance to this primary room. Now, the closet for the primary room is actually right in front of the hallway. So again, it's really funny because if you stay in this house, you're taking a shower in the complete opposite corner, walking through your room somewhat naked with windows surrounding the entire room, and then getting into your closet. So what I envision is coming through this hallway and then walking into the primary room through what is now the closet. This is going to give us some really neat additional storage on either side of the bedroom. We can use as a linen closet, a coat closet, a broom closet, or possibly where we're going to replace our former laundry room. But by doing this, we have now completely eliminated the closet for the primary bedroom, which of course is a little bit of a boo-boo, a ripple effect of all of these changes that we're creating. So while I was exploring the property and talking to some of the professionals who came out to the job, I thought about putting the closet where I think it should logically go, which is off of the primary bathroom. I imagine right when I come out of my shower, I'd like to take a left or take a right and end up in the closet where I could get dressed for the day. So behind the shower area, we've got a great wall sconce that would allow us to add about 10 feet of closet and let us go out around 6 to 8 feet without encroaching on the property boundaries at all or ruin the landscape around the house. Bobby Neal was not excited because that is going to incur costs for new concrete, new plates, new framing, new stucco, new windows, new light fixtures. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. But he was excited about the idea of having the closet connected to the bathroom to make room for an additional bedroom, which would increase the value of the home and the rental value of the home. Last but not least, this house has this great attached garage, which we thought of initially as the perfect place to add a bedroom. Now, it was very exciting to see this is doable in this project. We've got plumbing on one side, and then much of the garage has already been finished. So as I'm looking at this floor plan, I'm also exploring the ideas of creating a wonderful mudroom where we can have a great laundry room, some great storage, and including an ensuite bedroom. And there you have it. Those are the thoughts that I landed on after spending some time in this home. I want to hear your thoughts, the parts that you're excited about, or maybe some ideas or opportunities that you see in the floor plan that I may have missed. Stay tuned because I'm going to be sure to share an updated floor plan with you once we get through a lot of these ideas and changes. I really hoped you loved this behind the scenes view of how I work on my projects. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That helps me know that you love to see this type of content. Then when you're done, hit the subscribe or the follow button, and then make sure to click or ring the bell so you don't miss another one of my inspiring episodes. After that, I want you to head over to my blog where you can sign up to receive your free design newsletter and soak in endless hours of excellent design tips to help you create your dream home. Till the next time we meet, keep using your amazing gifts to create heart in your home.